Greetings gang, SkyPilot here. Today I'm going to do something completely preposterous. I'm going to try and attach my SQ13 1080p action camera to my little Eachine TWIG here. This one's sporting the KV 5200 motors, and I'm not too sure if it's even going to get off the ground. So I'm just going to velcro it on here, take it for a flight. Hopefully the battery won't fall out. I'll just do a quick and easy simple mod where I attach it underneath the frame here next to the battery, and hopefully it's going to be balanced okay. Yeah, and the TWIG's going to capture some footage. So what do you think? Up in the top corner there guys, yes or no, will it take off? Well, let's put it together and find out. Thanks for stopping by.
Mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
I don't think it's going to come off. I'm a bit concerned about the balance. I'll put the battery back as far as I can without it coming off. I may need to attach that also with a bit of additional reinforcing, as I don't want to lose the battery. If the battery comes off, the whole thing's going to come crashing down. Okay. Why am I doing this? I'm not really sure, actually. I'm just sort of doing it. This thing flies really, really well without this additional piece of hardware. I'm just going to get around that up, so excellent. Yeah, this unit flies really well. It's an awesome little book to race around in. Now check out my videos up on the top right there. Okay, let's see if it takes off the ground, and then we shall go outside. And if you are sitting there wondering, I wonder what it weighs in at now. 116.75 grams. Here we go. Okay, your pre-flight checks have been done. Seems to be balanced. It seems to take off from the workbench, so let's go outside and get some footage. Oh, there it is, guys. Just a quick blind front so you can see it. Doesn't sound like it's struggling too much. Okay, let's get the goggles on and take her up. I am hoping that the camera doesn't interfere with the VTX too much, otherwise we are in trouble. Oh, there's a bit of weight there guys. Okay, alright, we'll just go for a quick aerial shot around, try and keep it steady, some quick footage around. Don't want to go too high or too far. Hoping the camera doesn't interfere with things too much, but it's looking pretty good at this stage. Okay, let's bring it back down here. Let's just try and remain static and hover around. A little bit heavier than normal, expected. Battery drain a little bit faster than normal, expected as well. Okay.
RF signal go.
Thank you. I can see we're a long way away. Okay. Alright, I think I'll bring it down now before we lose it. Ooh, that went really well. Okay. The only thing I didn't do, so everything went really well. Just do a quick punch out. The only thing was, yeah, the battery depletes itself very fast. Yeah, the battery depletes itself really quick. Pretty neat, gang. If someone ever says to you, hey, do you know if you can attach an SQ13 to an Eachine TWIG and capture some 1080p footage? Well, now you can say, well, you can actually. Good stuff. As always, gang, thanks heaps for dropping by. Yeah, a bit of an unusual video today. Bit of an unusual one today. I had half an hour to kill. I thought I might do something silly. Anyway, I think I should pull it apart now and put it back to its former glory and crack on with some more FPV. Thumbs up, drop me a comment. Thanks for dropping by. Much appreciated. SkyPilot. See you in the sky. Catch you next time. Bye for now.